There's nothing better than a frozen dessert on a hot summer day. These lemon ice pops are the perfect light and refreshing summer dessert. They're tart, yet still sweet. The best part is they only require 4 ingredients and 10 minutes of prep time. You'll need frozen lemonade concentrate, whole milk, heavy cream, and freshly grated lemon peel. First add 12 ounces of frozen lemonade concentrate that has thawed for a while on your counter into a blender. This whole recipe is made right within the blender, so it makes cleanup a breeze. Next, we're measuring out 1 1/4 cups of whole milk. Make sure that you use whole milk. You don't want to use a plant-based substitute or a lower fat milk, otherwise it will tend to make the ice pops more icy. Next, we're adding in 3/4 cup of heavy cream. This adds a great texture and creaminess to the popsicles. And then finally, grate in 1 tablespoon of freshly grated lemon peel. You only want the outside lemon part. The white part of the lemon is called the pith and it tends to be bitter. So stick to just the outside lemon part. Throw the top on the blender and blend for 30 to 45 seconds on high until all of the ingredients are nice and combined. At this point, if you're not quite ready to pour the popsicles into the mold, you can leave this liquid in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours until you're ready. To actually make the popsicles, you'll want to have a silicone mold. This recipe makes 10 perfectly sized popsicles, so I love this mold that I'll link below. Fill almost to the top, then attach the lid and insert all of the popsicle sticks into each mold. Place the mold in the freezer for a full 8 hours or until the lemonade mixture has fully set and hardened. I like to do this overnight so I don't get impatient and pull them out early. Once they're ready, grab them from the fridge. And then to remove the popsicle from the mold, simply run cool water over the bottom of the mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then you can pull on the popsicle stick while gently pushing the bottom of the mold, and then it should easily release for a clean popsicle. Don't worry if you need to try this a few times, you'll get the hang of it. You can store the individual popsicles in a storage bag or pop out the popsicles one at a time from the mold when you're ready to eat them. The full recipe along with tips and tricks are linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoy!